In the turbulent tides of the late 19th century, two ancient civilizations stood on the brink of conflict, their destinies intertwined by the forces of imperialism and nationalism. The stage was set for a confrontation that would echo through the annals of history, a clash between the rising sun of Japan and the Middle Kingdom, China. The year was 1894, and the world was abuzz with the scent of change. Japan, a nation that had spent centuries in the shadows of Western powers, was poised to assert its presence on the global stage. China, meanwhile, was grappling with its own internal turmoil, its once mighty Qing Dynasty teetering on the brink of collapse. In this volatile context, a single issue ignited the spark that would set the Sino-Japanese War ablaze. The root of the conflict lay in the Liaodong Peninsula, a strategic piece of territory in Manchuria, rich in resources and of great strategic importance. Korea, a tributary state to both China and Japan, found itself caught in the crossfire of their ambitions. The catalyst for war was the infamous Tianjin incident. In June 1894, a small Japanese trading ship was seized by Chinese authorities in Tianjin. The event, though seemingly insignificant, was a symbol of the perceived humiliation of Japan by China. The incident, as it turned out, was the match that lit the fuse. Japan, under the leadership of the Meiji Restoration, was a nation transformed. A modernizing force, it sought to prove its worth among the great powers of the world. China, on the other hand, was a shadow of its former self, its military and navy woefully inadequate to face the impending threat. The first shots were fired on July 25, 1894, at the Battle of Yalu River. The clash was swift and brutal, with the Japanese Navy decisively defeating the Chinese fleet. This victory marked the beginning of a series of military victories for Japan, culminating in the capture of the strategically important Port Arthur in September. The war was a turning point in East Asian history. Japan's victory marked the end of the Qing Dynasty's influence over Korea and the beginning of Japanese imperialism in Asia. The Treaty of Shimonoseki, signed in April 1895, ceded Liaodong Peninsula to Japan, further solidifying its position as a regional power. The Sino-Japanese War of 1894 was more than just a conflict between two nations. It was a reflection of the geopolitical tensions of the late 19th century, a microcosm of the power struggles that would shape the world for decades to come. The echoes of that war still resonate today, a testament to the enduring impact of history on our present.